everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Dwi. I'm one of student at Cyber Asia University. I will do an interview about the new education policy in Indonesia with one of the teacher in Bogor City. His name is Miss Jasmine. Hi, Miss Jasmine. Nice to meet you. How are you today? Hi, Dewey. Nice to meet you. I'm good. Well, just go straight to the topic. We are going to talk about new education policy, Miss Jasmine. Do you know about the new education policy that is being implemented in our country? Yes, I already know a little about it. What is the main focus of the policy? Well, the policy aims to improve the availability of education, especially in rural area. They want to increase access to education for everyone, regardless of their background. That's good. I have always believed that education is the day to success. But how do they plan to do it? They will provide more research and fund for school in rural areas and also train more education teacher to improve the available of teaching. I think that's like a good plan. But what about the curriculum? Will they change? Yes, they will make some changes to the curriculum to make it more relevant to anymore. They will also focus on skill-based learning such as critical thinking and problem solving. I think that's a good idea. Our currently education system is the focus on memorization. We need to encourage students to think critically and solve problems. Yeah, exactly. And I think this policy is a step in the right direction, but we also need to ensure that the policy is properly implemented and everyone has access to actually education. Agree. Education is a fundamental right, and we have a responsibility to ensure that everyone has access to it. Yeah, okay, Miss Jasmine. I think the interview is enough. Thank you very much, Miss Jasmine. See you next time. Thank you again, Dwi. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Dwi Safitri. Now I will present the final exam assessment English about education. Education. The reason for choosing the education theme because education in Indonesia really needs special attention, especially in remote area. New policies are needed for education in Indonesia. Interview result. First, education is the key to success. So many policies must be made, such as improving the quality of teacher and other educational tools. Second, the government will provide more research and fund for school in rural areas. And next, they will make some change to the curriculum to make it more relevant. And they will also focus on skill-based learning such as critical thinking and problem solving. And then my opinion about education is the introduction of the independent curriculum represent a bold step in shifting the focus from mere memorization to character development and critical reasoning. This gives teachers the freedom to innovative and according to students. A class unresolved issue is access and facilities. The quality of education in large cities is often inversely proportional to that in treaty, frontier, outermost, and disadvantaged areas. The digitalization of education is underway, but its effectiveness depends heavily on the stability of uneven internet infrastructure. And teachers are the heart of this system. Despite effort to improve competency, heavy administrative burdens and welfare issues, especially from contract teachers, remain major obstacle to their optimal performance in the classroom. And conclusion. In general, our education policy is headed in the right direction to create more adaptive human research. However, the success of this system should not be measured solely by figures on paper, but by how evenly these qualities are distributed to children across the country. Thank you.